In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VAT number on Xero invoice. By the end, your invoices will clearly show your VAT number in the right place, helping with compliance and making life easier for your customers and your accountant. First, sign in to Xero and look to the top of the screen. Click your name or profile area at the top. This opens a menu where you can access your account options. From that menu, choose Settings. If you don't see settings, you may not have the right user role, so check with your Xero admin before you continue. On the settings page, find and click Invoice Settings. This is where Xero stores your branding themes and the text that appears on your invoices. You'll usually see a list of invoice templates, such as the standard theme and any custom ones your business uses. Next, locate the template you actually send to customers. On that template row, click Options. This is the small menu that lets you manage and customize the theme. From the Options menu, click Edit. That opens the detailed editor for your invoice layout and the default wording that prints on every invoice. Inside the editor, scroll down to the section called Terms and Payment Advice. This section is designed for important, repeated information your customers should always see, such as payment instructions, bank details, and tax identifiers. It's the ideal consistent place to include your VAT number, so it appears on every invoice without you having to type it each time. In the text box for Terms and Payment Advice, enter your VAT number clearly. A simple, professional format works best, such as VAT notes your number. If your country requires a prefix or specific spacing, add it here. Keep it brief, avoid extra punctuation, and make sure there are no typos. If you already have payment instructions in this box, place the VAT line near the top so it's easy to spot, but keep the overall message tidy and readable. When you're happy with the wording, click Save. Saving updates the template so the VAT number will appear on all new invoices created with this theme. Changes won't retroactively update invoices you've already sent, but everything you create from now on will include the new text. As a quick check, you can open a draft invoice using this template and use Preview to confirm the VAT line displays correctly. That's it. You clicked your name at the top, went into Settings, opened Invoice Settings, used options to edit your template, added your VAT numbers under Terms and Payment Advice, and saved. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing.